Cole's surname meaning in history presented by coadb.com. Surname meaning from the Middle English and Old French personal name Coll, a pet form of Nicol, which was a common name in the 13th century and onward. Also from the Middle English personal name Coll of native English or Scandinavian origin. Colla was originally a nickname from the Old English word coll, meaning coal, in the sense of coal black of hair or swarthy complexion. Early bearers include Randolph Coll of Hampshire in the year 1148, John Coll of Yorkshire, and Elias Coll of Yorkshire in the year 1379. Noble titles held: the Cole Baronetcy of Brancepeth Castle in the County of Durham was created in 1640, and the Baronetage of England for Sir Nicholas Coll, Mayor of Newcastle upon Tyne in 1640. He was an ardent Royalist who played a key role in the defense of Newcastle, which withstood a 7-month siege by Parliamentary forces in the year 1644. The Cole Baronetcy of Newland in the County of Dublin was created in the Peerage of Ireland in 1661 for Sir John Coll, and his son Arthur Coll was elevated to the status of Baron in 1715. John Coll, the High Sheriff and member of Irish House of Commons, was raised to the Peerage of Ireland as Baron Mount Florence in the year 1760. William Coll was created Viscount Enniskillen in the Peerage of Ireland in 1766 and was further elevated to the status of Earl in 1789. Here we see Brancepeth Castle in County Durham, England, one of the estates and homes of the family, as well as Florence Court in what is currently Northern Ireland. Landed gentry included Coll of Leixlip Castle in County Kildare, Ireland, Coll of Twickenham in County Middlesex, Coll of Brandrum in Ireland, Coll of Woodview in Ennishannon, County Cork, Ireland, and Coll of Hillhouse in Brading in the Isle of Wight. Notables include Edna Sarah Coll, an American missionary who worked in Thailand in the late 19th century. Edith Coll, a British stage actress, born 1870. Adrian Coll, born 1895, a senior commander in the Royal Australian Air Force. Alpheus Philemon Coll, born 1876, an American artist, engraver, and etcher. Cornelius Coll, born 1822, a United States Senator from California. Early settlers: James Coll of Maine in 1632. There was Thomas and William Coll, came to Maine in 1638. Anne Coll came to Maryland in 1649. And Elizabeth and Samuel Coll, who came to New Jersey in 1682. And if you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com, where we offer genealogy research. Thank you very much.